Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install LexisNexis Risk Report Ordering for Insurers, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the LexisNexis website. Log in to your account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the dashboard. Find the section labeled Risk Report Ordering. Click on that section to access. Now, look for the installation option within the Risk Report Ordering section. Select the installation guide specific to insurers. Download the installation guide to your device. Open the installation guide file. Follow the preliminary system requirements listed in the document. Ensure that your system meets all the required specifications. Next, locate the installation software link provided in the guide. Click on the link to start downloading the installation software. Once the download is complete, navigate to your Downloads folder. Find the LexisNexis installation file. Double-click the installation file to run the setup wizard. Follow the on-screen prompts in the setup wizard. Accept the license agreement when prompted. Choose your preferred installation directory or proceed with the default location. Click on the Install button to begin the installation process. Wait for the installation to complete. Once the installation is finished, click Finish to exit the setup wizard. Return to your web browser and log back into your LexisNexis account. Access the Risk Report Ordering section again. You should now see a confirmation that the installation was successful. Conduct a test order to ensure everything is functioning properly. If the test order is successful, you're now ready to use the LexisNexis Risk Report Ordering feature. If there are any issues, consult the troubleshooting section of the installation guide. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.